In this video, I'm going to share with you the top 5 Tron projects that are hyped right now. Okay, everyone's talking about them and they are up 50% or more since yesterday. I just couldn't make the video yesterday. I made other 3 videos. If you haven't watched those, how to create your own $1 million meme coins. Alright, do watch that video. There's a lot of information in that video as well. And if you haven't followed my socials, make sure you do, because I do share stuff there before it comes here. Okay, so the top 5 projects are these ones. You've probably seen on the thumbnail as well. And I'm going to share with you which are the zones where best zones to buy, because everyone's asking me where is the best price to buy these. We'll discuss that right now in the DEX tool. You can buy a check on DEX Screener or DEX tool. So you have 2 options, and all you need to do is take their contract. Okay, right now the most hyped is the Sundog. Sundog is booming right now. Again, it's moving, it's been consolidating all night and it's moving very nicely. Okay, so you can come and paste your contract right here. The contract will be mentioned right here. Just copy it and share here. This coin has been rising and rising non-stop. We haven't not seen a parabolic move yet. A lot of people are coming into Tron project. If you see, I have made a watch list of top 5 ones. Again, all the top 5s based on the market cap right here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Right now they're all booming. I saw this as 7 this one at 7 million yesterday. It's at 15 million last night. Not even yesterday, last night, like 12 hours ago. Everything is booming right now. Okay, this coin itself moved, I'm gonna share with you in a second, moved like 50% or more. Where is it? 63%. You don't want to miss these, guys. It's not just this. I'm gonna keep sharing more on Twitter. Make sure you follow my Twitter. The socials, they're going to be Linktree link, and join on my socials right now so you don't miss any opportunities, because it takes time for me to make a video, edit it, and all post it here. Okay, first of all, you need Tron wallet. Download Tron wallet on your Apple device or Android or Chrome extension, because I'm going to use Chrome extension. I'm going to share with you how to buy this. You have few options you can buy. Trade on Sundog, like you can trade through here as well. It's just a terminal. Or you can do is go here, you can buy directly here as well, or you can go to the actual swap as well. What you need to do is you need to put, if you want to buy with 100 or 50 Tron, that's it. I'm gonna do a transaction, I'm gonna share with you. So if you want Sundog, right, you just 50 TRX R31 Sundogs. The transaction fees will depend, because recently it increased a lot of transactions been happening on Tron network. Again, I'll share with you transaction fees that is costing me $2. A lot of fees. It's supposed to be under $1, but because everyone is trying to buy, so to avoid the congestion on the network, the fees is getting increased. And if you go and check what is the total consumption, because of the energy bandwidth getting increased, this is what causing the price of gas fees to be increased. Again, I'll just do a quick transaction to show you SunSwap, how to trade on SunSwap, and how to trade here as well. Okay, I'm just going to share with you. I'm just buying, I don't know what price I'm buying on. I'm buying to show you guys. Make sure you like the video so you know what's happening. Okay, $2 again here. And yeah, that's it. Sometimes it says confirm, sometimes it gets failed. You need to make sure you check your wallet if you really got the transaction failed. 1 second. Did I buy how many right now? Yeah, I got this and this. So both transactions got filled nicely. The top 5 tokens right now are Sundog, Fofar, Suncat, and I can't pronounce that, sorry. Sunwalking, Kong, and InvestZone. InvestZone, I've seen this not doing as well as the top 4s, and Sundog been hyped so much, and now Fofar is the one that moving like crazy right now. Okay, we'll see the charts now and create some zones. I just want to make a quick video to the point so you can get an idea, and I'm trying to share as much information as I can in this video. Let's check the 4-hour chart, because 1 hour it's not doing amazing when it comes to trend. It is doing amazing itself. Like, I like this kind of chart because that shows me there is not much selling happening. there's much and there's just buying happening more than selling, because this is how it's gradually moving up slowly, and this is the reason Tron is going up. TRX, if you have not watched my video, I've shared the video 2 days ago right here about Tron, that it's gonna move amazingly well, and I've shared 2 days before that on my socials as well. Getting the Tron trend is gonna move, and this is what's happening right now. Tron is moving amazingly. I've created a Tron wallet yesterday night just to show you guys. This is a new wallet that I created for the videos. I saw under 2 days ago, it was 140 million, like around 18-20 hours ago. I saw this at 100 and around here 140 right here when I saw it the first time. Sundog, and look at the rally gave. Amazing and very smooth rally. You don't see a big selling pressure coming in. There's a lot more buying happening than the selling itself, and this is a positive sign. Right now this is trying to break out to new highs. There's no sign of any pullback at the moment. There's small dips coming and it's taking back off, and what I'm looking for is a good dip. This was a good dip, 30% right here, this one. So 20-30% dip is what you're looking for. If it can go to 3 million and then might give you a dip of 250 million again, that'd be good price. Make sure you have your trading plans and do not go risk like crazy on these. You want to limit your risk as well. Okay, that's one thing when it comes to this. I'm just gonna remove all this to make sure the chart's clear. And Suncat, what Suncat is doing is kind of following the path of Sundog. This is very healthy price action. What I'm seeing right now here, I really like this approach, because after a big move, when you see this kind of pattern happening, there's a potential chance, if there is still momentum hype around it, there's a potential chance we have not even seen the FOMO lag yet. A lot of people have not even, because I'll tell you example. When you go to Tron link wallet extension, there's only $500, 500,000 that I saw yesterday. I don't know if the number is correct. This is very less. This is very less. When you come to Solana, it's a lot more. Alright, just when Solana does have multiple wallets. Let's just see the first one, Phantom. Alright, 4 million. So there is still a lot of gap that can be filled, and we might see a lot more people joining this space, because on Twitter yesterday, everywhere it was Tron meme coins. I think if we see Sundog keep moving, we can see this going into this looks very nice and healthy, and I can see this going to 0.04, so probably 40 million to 50 million if we see Sundogs keep going into 500 million. Alright, this is very realistic number in my opinion. This token I saw yesterday at 6-7 million right here in this range, and it moved up ranged, because this is where the founder of TRX token changed the profile picture to this coin. Okay, because it's a movie coming up, and this will happen, and it keeps on moving up after that. And so far, the one I'm talking about, 70% up today. This candle alone gave a huge move up right here. This candle alone gave 35%, right? So this is what's happening right now in this. It's moving amazingly well, and right now this range, the first move up happened, a very nice breakout, kind of didn't, and if this breaks up again, there's a high chance it can go easily touch another 50 million, and then probably up to 100 million. Really depends how the overall trend is gonna be, but this can go to 100 million, because the way the chart looks, it looks very good, and a lot of people, influencers, are talking about this on the Twitter. Again, we can go, because if I try to go on every social, it will take a lot of time, so this is why I'm trying to keep the video short. You can go check their socials. This chart, I'm not fan of this, because there's a big selling spike happened, but it was recovered very quickly, and this is the top 5th token. It was top 4th yesterday or 3rd, and yeah, other coins are just rising much quicker, and this had buy off just for fun. So I don't know, someone created very early and it spiked, it did very well, and it's holding very well. This is what good to see, because a lot of coins like this are created for fun. they quickly end up. But this one is holding very well, and yeah, I don't know how much potential this one got, because it's a meme. I invest, so I don't know how good this meme is. For me, I would, I like the other that does have art, that have some vibes behind it. Sundog, Suncat, Fofa. I don't know about this meme, but looks like people loving this meme. Okay, it's Chinese themed, and yeah, if it breaks out, there's a chance 50 million first, and then it could give a rally as well, because there's a lot of hype around TRX coins. That's pretty much it for this video. If you have any question, make sure you let me know. Do subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.